Hi everybody, Andy here with etrailer.com. Let's take a look together at this Diode Dynamics SS3 Max LED Fog Pod Light. Now this 3-inch LED fog pod light is going to give you bright light with reduced glare for improved visibility and safety. This is going to be a great light to consider as you're upgrading your fog lights on your vehicle. Now, as you can see, I do have this connected to my power supply, and what you're currently seeing is the amber backlight, and that's one of my favorite features of this light. This is going to give you a great stylish touch or more visibility when you're not using the main beam. I'm going to go ahead and turn my studio lights off here just to give you a better demonstration of what this is going to look like in low light or dark conditions. I went ahead and gave you a wider view so you can see what it looks like from a distance. And then next I want to show you the fog beam. So as you can see, that's considerably brighter. So you got your backlight and then your fog beam. I'm going to see if I can shine this on the wall behind me without shorting my wires here. So this fog pattern beam is going to give you high intensity light in an extremely wide field of view, as you can see there. This light has a color temperature of 6,000 Kelvin cool white. So that cool white color is going to match most factory lights. And it's going to be a clear, crisp color light. Now this does have a raw lumen rating of 7,920 lumens, and then on the measured lumen rating it's going to be 3,500. And let me go ahead and turn my studio lights back on, make sure my wires are still connected here, and then I just want to show you that beam again with my studio lights on. This has a peak beam intensity of 18,000 candela. And in case you don't know, candela ratings measure the directional light output, and it's how anything is rated where you want light shining in a specific direction. Lumen ratings are just for omnidirectional output, like regular bulbs, where you want light shining in all directions. But for more detailed description of those ratings, you can visit this product page on our website, or Diode Dynamics provides additional information that you can find. So the power draw on that main beam is 3 amps, and on the backlight it's 0.03 amps. This light is designed with a newer technology known as TIR optics. TIR stands for total internal reflection. So unlike the older technology that uses reflectors or simple projector lenses, which aren't great at focusing all of the light where you want it, this custom designed large TIR optic actually collects and focuses all of the light forward very efficiently. And from there, instead of having another external lens, certain lens patterns have been molded directly into the lens surface. This is going to prevent the normal efficiency loss that you see with an outside lens. When you shine light through any type of glass or plastic, as you probably know, you're going to lose up to 10% of that light just from it shining through that lens. So by making it a part of this lens, you're going to pick up some efficiency as well. Now this does include the industry standard Deutsch connector, and you can see that plugged in right here on the back of my light. And so as we're looking at the back of this light, I also wanted to show you that this does have a breather patch right there, and that's going to prevent any moisture buildup in this light. And the heat sinks that you see here are going to do a great job of dissipating heat quickly to increase the longevity of this light. And this light has been built with high intensity LED chips. This also features a durable powder-coated aluminum construction. The heavy-duty construction is going to do a great job of withstanding extreme temperatures, corrosion, vibration. Testing is completed to SAE standards, just like your factory lighting components on your vehicle. And an interesting note, Diode Dynamics actually designed, engineered, and assembled this light right down the highway from us at their headquarters here in the greater St. Louis area. Now just some overall measurements. Looking at the overall width from end to end, we're sitting at about 3¼ inches wide. And then looking at the height, that's going to be the same measurement, 3¼ inches tall. Then looking at the depth from the front of our light to the end of our heat sinks, we're sitting about 2 3/8 inches deep. And this light draws high current rather, and it does require adequately sized wiring to ensure safe operation. So if you're not using a Diode Dynamics wiring harness, it is recommended that you use wire size at 16 gauge or larger. Now we do also provide this light with a bracket, or you can get a pair of these lights with brackets or without brackets. We have different intensities available and different types as well. So if this isn't exactly what you're looking for, be sure to take a look at our other options with Diode Dynamics here at etrailer.com to find just the light or lights that you are looking for. Well, that's going to wrap up our look today. I do hope that our time together was helpful for you. Again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.